Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Okay, today's video is on skincare products review. Yes, and the first product I'll be reviewing on this channel happens to be this bad boy, baddest boy. Yes, this cream is really nice. The cream has apricot kernel oil and the cream is for all skin types. Dove Fair. Yes, Dove cream. Rich, nourishing body fairness, and they said it's for all skin types. All skin types, yes, and it has apricot kernel oil, and this apricot kernel oil is very nice oil. It is really healthy for the skin. This cream is made in India for Unilever. It's made in India. So I don't know what it looks like. It's really small. This cream is good, and this cream has different types. It has the one with a white container, and that one is said to be for mostly people with dark skin, brown skin. And then it also has lotion. That's this lotion. So I've used this lotion before, but I think I still prefer this my bad boy to this. Though some people will use this lotion and they will love it, but for me this is just perfect. If you're looking for cream that will make you fair, you're looking for cream that will make you fair, or cream that will whiten you, cream that will perform magic and you will turn from brown to fair, or from black to, it's not this cream. This cream is just to make your body glow and look healthy. This cream does not whiten skin. It's a very healthy cream. It's something you can use for the family. Both husband, wife can use this cream. Maybe your grown-up kids, because I don't know, for me I always recommend children's cream for kids. Small children, let them just use children's cream. But this cream is mild, and I think it's also good if kids use it. I don't think it will harm them, because the cream is so mild. It's really good. It's good. And this Dove has a lot of products. I've used Dove cocoa butter. I've used Dove cocoa butter. It was really nice. That one is also lotion, just like this, but that one is cocoa butter. It was really nice. And in fact, they have different products. Dove really has products, but this is the one I'm sticking with because this is just nice. So that is my honest review on this Dove cream. So if you want, in case you want to buy this cream and you are being skeptical about it, you want to know, is this cream okay? How does it work? What is it like? This is me giving you an honest review on this cream. This cream is mild. It's good. It just gives you that natural glow. It's just that most time when you go to market to look for this particular one, this container, this pink container, when you get there, they'll tell you we don't have it, so it's not available and all those things. But if you look for it in all these good big supermarkets, you'll be able to find it. For me in Lagos, you can buy it from Global Supermarket, Super Saver, and every other good supermarket you find around. So I can recommend this cream anytime, any day, for someone that wants healthy skin that will just glow and it doesn't whiten. It's just a nice cream. Yes, so that's my honest review. And so thank you for watching this video, and please, if there's any product you want me to review, like give you my honest review, don't forget to drop the products on the comment section. If it's something I've used before, I will review. If it's something that someone close to me have used also, from someone that I know that I can get a first-hand information about the product from, then I will go ahead and do that review, because any review I'll be dropping on this channel will be an honest review. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. I love you.